Hi, today I'm going to discuss this question with you. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. Now, if 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5 and you're expected to find the numbers. Okay, so let me assume let the numbers be x and y. Okay, now let's form the first linear equation. They have said that the two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. So x by y equal to 5 by 6. And cross multiplying, I would get 6x is equal to 5y or 6x minus 5y equal to 0. So that's my first linear equation. Now let's form the second linear equation. Here they've mentioned that if 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, then the ratio becomes 4:5. So let's subtract 8 from the first number and also from the second number, and the ratio of x minus 8 by y minus 8 now becomes 4 by 5. Okay, let me cross multiply again, and I would get 5 times x minus 8 as equal to 4 times y minus 8. Opening up the brackets, it would give me 5x minus 40 is equal to 4y minus 32. Okay, let me rearrange the equation. So 5x minus 4y equal to negative 32 plus 40, or 5x minus 4y now becomes equal to 8. So I have my second linear equation now. So we could solve these equations either using the elimination method or the substitution method. Here I will be using the elimination method. So first we would need to, if in case you're trying to eliminate the variable x, you can multiply the first equation with the coefficient of x in the second equation, which is 5. So I'll multiply the first equation, multiplying equation 1 with 5. Okay, so that would give me 5 into 6x minus 5y equal to 0. So that is 30x minus 25y equal to 0. So let me number that as my third equation. Now I also would need to multiply the first equation with the coefficient of, the second equation with the coefficient of the first equation, in coefficient of x in the first equation. So that means I would have to multiplying 2 with 6. Okay, so 6 times 5x minus 4y equal to 6 times 8. And that would give me 30x minus 24y equal to 48. So let me number that as my fourth equation. Now I'm going to subtract the third and the fourth equation. So that is 30x minus 25y equal to 0 and 30x minus 24y equal to 48. Now subtracting the two equations, the signs would change and I would have minus y as equal to minus 48, or the value of y would be equal to 48. Now substituting y equal to 48 in equation 1. So the equation 1 was 6x minus 5y equal to 0. So 6x minus 5 times 48 equal to 0. Or 6x would be equal to 48 times 5, which is 240. And x would be 240 divided by 6, which gives me 40. Therefore, the two numbers are 40 and 48. Thank you.